A Day at the Zoo! Chapter 1. The exciting morning, Emma woke up with a big smile on her face. It was finally the day she had been waiting for all week, the trip to the zoo. She quickly dressed in her favorite yellow t-shirt, packed her camera, and rushed downstairs. After breakfast, she waved goodbye to her parents and hurried to meet her friends at the bus stop. Chapter 2. On the way to the zoo. The bus was already full of chatter and laughter when Emma got on. Lily, Max, and Noah were sitting together, saving a seat for her. They talked about the animals they wanted to see. First, Lily wanted to see the elephants. Max wanted to see the lions. Noah wanted to feed the giraffes. And Emma wanted to visit the monkeys. Chapter 3. First steps into the zoo. When they walked through the zoo gates, they were amazed. There were tall trees, colorful flowers, and signs pointing to different animal enclosures. The air was filled with the sounds of birds singing and children laughing. Chapter 4. Meeting the giraffes. Their first stop was the giraffe enclosure. The tall animals reached for the leaves on the highest branches. Emma and Noah bought small buckets of food, and a giraffe bent its long neck down to gently take leaves from Emma's hand. She giggled when its tongue tickled her fingers. Chapter 5. The Mighty Lions. Next, they visited the lions. A huge golden lion lay lazily in the shade, while a lioness walked proudly nearby. Max couldn't resist pretending to roar like a lion. Everyone laughed, but the real lion lifted its head as if to say, "I can roar louder than that." Chapter 6. The playful monkeys at the monkey enclosure. The friends watched the monkeys swing from branch to branch. One monkey made a funny face at them, and another stole a banana from its friend. Emma took a picture just as the two monkeys started a playful chase. Chapter 7. Lunch by the lake. By noon, everyone was hungry. They found a picnic area near a small lake, where ducks swam peacefully. The friends shared sandwiches, juice, and cookies. Lily dropped a few crumbs, and soon a group of ducks waddled closer, hoping for more treats. Chapter 8. The Elephant Parade. After lunch, they headed to the elephants. The gentle giants were spraying water with their trunks to cool down. The zookeeper explained that elephants can recognize their friends, just like people do. The children watched in amazement as a baby elephant followed its mother closely. Chapter 9. Souvenirs and ice cream. Before leaving, they visited the souvenir shop. Emma chose a small giraffe keychain, Max got a lion cap, Lily picked an elephant bracelet, and Noah bought a monkey plush toy. Outside the shop, they bought ice creams and enjoyed them while watching parrots in bright colors. Chapter 10. Going home with memories. As the sun began to set, the friends boarded the bus, feeling happy and a little tired. They talked about their favorite animals and promised to come back again one day. Emma looked out the window, holding her giraffe keychain, and thought, this was the best day ever.